what money to poverty steps out. They call me the arrival of is forever.
My little niece is graduating today and I felt like baking a cupcake for her today. Yes, guys, she's celebrating in a very big way and everyone is out to support her, okay? So my own contribution is the cupcakes. I just want to put a beautiful smile on her face and I hope she's happy when she sees it. This is the recipe I used for the lovely cupcakes, guys. The cupcake was so amazing. Her classmates and her friends loved it so much. Guys, my joy knows no bound. This is my little baby. You know she's a twins, right? Yes, she's a twin. I carried them. These are the first set of twins I ever carried. And my babies are already grown up, already graduating from the university. I'm so happy. I'm so happy, guys. Back to the cupcakes. I learned a lot of things while baking this cupcake. If you really want to see the full recipe and exactly how I baked them, check my other YouTube channel, my food channel that I attached the name right here. Yes, you'll see the full recipe. I made a lot of mistakes while making this cupcakes, which I learned as well. I learned a lot of things. The mistake I made right here was that I didn't use a pan. So it made it look the way it is right now. The parchment paper almost melted, like yes, it almost dissolved because of the batter that I put inside without using a pan, guys. So later on, I had to bake it this way and the result wasn't nice at all. You will definitely see the result. I will show it to you. So don't make this kind of mistake. If you want to bake a cupcake, make sure you use a cupcake pan for it in order to get the maximum result that you want. So guys, this was the mistake. This was the outcome. Look at how it's looking. I had to redo it and voila, this is the final look of the cake. Isn't it lovely? It's so amazing and beautiful. And guys, this cake was so delicious. Very delicious. If you use this recipe, trust me, you won't try any other recipe except this one, guys. Now let's go party. Yes, guys. We are en route to the school, okay, guys? Yes, you're heading to the school to go and party and surprise my baby. Look at these money bouquet that we are going with. Look now, look, my babe really cashed out. Yes, my daughter cashed out. I hope you know that I'm the assistant mom. This is the mom right here. You see that beautiful woman with sunglasses? That's the mom. Sweet 16. Oh, she's a sweet 16. Always looking young every single year. Yes, guys, this is us arriving at the school. We just arrived the school premises and we decided to do small videos, make we tell people say we don't arrive. Oh. And while doing this video, we are praying for my niece not to see us because she sees us before we get to the venue. She goes scatter everything with her noise. Oh. Yes, guys, while going, we decided to play a little bit and dance and practice how we are going to dance before we get there. Did you spot our cooler of rice? Yes, we also made some food that everyone will eat. That's her classmates will eat. We are almost close to the venue, and the moment we got there, this happened. We first of all saw her twin sister.
He said, I want to wake up now with the color on the side. Ladies and gentlemen, the arrival of the incredible wayward white tea money. And your big up Bola, white tea way money to make poverty step aside.
Okay.
And your white tea way money to poverty step aside. We are showing the city dance in the baby. We are sad. We didn't find the voltage of our side. They call me the high priest, no, no,
Guys, my sister and her daughter decided to give them a show like they dance. This time around is mother and daughter time. And my sister gifted her some wrappers. Yay! My niece was so happy, and my other niece can't wait to also graduate by next year so that we will also come and celebrate her as well. Guys, it was such a joyful day. It was full of joy and happiness. We all celebrated. Yeah, this is my elder sister signing. Yep, this is the mom, and I am the assistant mom, guys. Yeah. Do you know that joy? So I finally trained a child that has graduated. Like my child graduated. Guys, it's my turn to sign my daughter's t-shirt. And my niece can dance. Kai, she can dance. No, be small. Everybody was just shouting, screaming her name while she was dancing. You know, some of the music right now, I can't play them because of copyright strikes. So I don't want to use my hand and bring wahala to my channel, I beg. But I just wish I can play all so that you people can hear it. But enjoy the few that I know I can play.
Is it forever? Is it for Gary? Wait, is it forever? Check, is it for Gary? At the Rugo, head, shoulder, knees and toe. Let the music take control. Head, shoulder, knees and toe. Let the music.
Thing going on. Yes.
Party don't finish show. We are on our way home, guys. Yes, so please, if you haven't liked this video, please do that and like my video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do where to subscribe to my channel, and also share this video, and don't forget to comment. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next one. Bye.